forces from the sky. Wind is shouting through the blue, turning calm shores into something new. But down below the deep remains, steady as a quiet flame, holding peace beneath the roar, a place untouched by storm or war. Oh, the wind may shake the sea, but the heart stays steady underneath. Let the surface rise and fall, there is stillness through it all. In the deep we find our way, safe beneath the wild display. Storms can pull our thoughts apart, rattling the edges of the heart. Emotions crash like foaming tides when outside forces press inside. But breathing in, we drift below to waters where the soft tides flow, where every fear begins to cease in the quiet depth of peace. Oh, the wind may shake the sea, but the heart stays steady underneath. Let the surface rise and fall, there is stillness through it all. In the deep we find our way, safe beneath the wild display. The storm will pass and calm returns, the deeper truth